Hi YouTube, this is Sparky again, and tonight I got at Walmart a new toy, I guess you could say. It's an RC airsoft shooter car truck. I meant. Here, I'll just show you. Sorry, my range kind of messed up. Yeah, so that's a truck and stuff. Yeah, it's gonna be pretty cool. I'm gonna sneak up on my friends. Sorry, that was my knife. I'm gonna sneak up on my friends and probably shoot them with it. But here, I'll just get it out of the box. Just 1 second. This used to have a spring, so that's a different story. Anyways, alright, let's go. And one more at the bottom. I did not see. I like this knife. It's short. Alright, well. Oh, sorry again. Got that done. I think. What in the world? I gotta do it again. Hold on. I'm sorry, guys. Oh my goodness. One more time. I'll tell you what. They really don't want me to get this thing out of here. I'm just gonna leave this open because probably. Well, here's it out of the box, guys. It's gonna be pretty sweet. I'll have to put up a video soon about it, but I just wanted to unbox it, and thank you guys for watching, and you'll get to see me shoot some stuff soon with it. So, see ya. See ya.